What's up guys, welcome to the vlog 77 I believe. Today's a very special day because it is Christina's birthday. Now I am currently waiting for her Starbucks order, and two, we already stopped and got her some flowers this morning. Right there, nice, her like pinkish white. That's her favorite color of rose. I'm a red rose kind of guy, but that's what she likes. So right now I'm waiting for, she ordered the Starbucks. I drove all the way to Publix and got the flowers first thing this morning. And I figured by the time I get to Starbucks, it better be ready. And now it's not ready, so. But today's gonna be a good day. We're going wine tasting. I'm not a big drinker. And I was, kind of dropped some hints in this a couple days ago where I'm taking her and her mom to go wine tasting today. Apparently they got some good food. It's a local vineyard. So we're gonna, not dress all nice, but dress appropriate, and we're gonna go pinkies up on some wine today. Now this video might get demonetized, and this video also might not have a lot of truck content, and you know what? Don't really care, because it's Christina's birthday and it's all about her. So maybe we'll start the wheel lights later on today. I don't know. We'll figure something out, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's have some fun today. I'm not a huge wine drinker, but we actually had a really great time. That's probably a spot that we'll go to more often. A lot of great content up there, just a really good vibe up there. I really liked it. We left with some wine, got some cool wine glasses for the occasion, for just for memory's sake. But we're on another mission now, and that's to go find her a little birthday cake. So I think she wants an ice cream cake. So I think the next stop for us is Publix. Y'all see the little bunny? That cake didn't turn out anywhere near how I wanted it to, but you get the point. Nice cute little ice cream cake, just for you. I'm kind of proud of that. That icing was absolutely terrible to deal with, and it turned out, I don't know. I guess it's good, but it's bad at the same time.